Good afternoon, my name is Santiago Erickson Moreno Preciado. I am 46 years old. I am in 9th semester of Bachelor of Foreign Language with emphasis in English. In this moment, I am working in Signal Company in Sogamoso, Boyacá. I am currently a happily married man with 2 children. The eldest is 11 years old and the youngest 5 years old. Through my study in my career as a teacher and my experience through my teaching practices, I have been able to improve and develop my English with the 4 main English skills that are speaking, listening, reading and writing. In addition to learning different methodologies and study techniques that have helped me to raise my level of English. Since through then I can put into practice and produce different topics related to my significant and relevant learning process in my process as future teacher in the English language. Likewise, I have worked on exercises and exams that have helping me to know what my level of English is and what specific topics I should get feedback and strengthen my knowledge to improve more and more. Finally, I think that my experience in pedagogical practices has helped me adapt to the different methodologies and teaching techniques with the different students who have received class from me. Unfortunately, I still need to develop my speaking skills and be able to speak English more fluently. But I think with the dedication and sacrifice I will end up achieving it. In the meantime, I will resolutely continue with my learning process to develop myself and obtain more experiences in my pedagogical practices. Science students deserve to learn effectively and that they feel motivated and happy with learning a second language, and also as future teachers of this beautiful language. Thank you very much.